Are you looking for something to eat for lunch or dinner, but you want something a little healthier? Well, I have the classic Alfredo pasta with chicken and broccoli. One of my favorite meals. Here's what it looks like, and it's by Lean Cuisine. It has 19 grams of protein, 260 calories. These are really, really good. They are supposed to be a little bit better than the Marie calendars. Like, the Marie calendars are good for you as well, but these Lean Cuisines are supposed to be a little bit healthier for you. But like I said, we're not going to go through the whole how I fixed it video and everything, because I think I did a video on that. You'll just have to check a couple of my other videos, like frozen meal videos. But you are able to put this in the microwave. This is microwavable, so it comes with the directions and everything on the back, your protein, you know, your directions and all that goods. So when you cook these in the microwave, they're easy to fix. All you have to do is read the back, and it'll tell you how long to store it in the microwave. Or you can also put them, I believe you could also put them in the oven. Ooh. Yeah, I think you can also put them in the oven. But basically, when you open it, there is going to be a plastic covering it. You're not going to pull the plastic off completely unless you want to. But just pull the plastic back just a little bit. So that way, if it does pop in the microwave, it won't go everywhere because the plastic will be at least over it. And then, you know, stir it up real good. Taste it, because sometimes when stuff is frozen like this, sometimes you have to pop it back in the microwave like 2 or 3 times, because everything may not, you might taste it and be like, oh, it's hot. And then when you mix it up to eat it, there's that 1 or 2 things in there that are still cold. So make sure when you put this in the microwave, put it in there for, it says 5 minutes. So you could try 5 minutes in the microwave and then mix it up real good when it's done. Like I said, taste it. If it's not done, if it's still cold, pop it back in there. I do recommend you eating these versus the Marie calendars. You can still do the Marie calendars, but the Lean Cuisines are a little bit more healthier than the Marie calendars, especially if you're looking for something that has like a lot of protein in it. Hold on. Why do I like eating a whole bunch of frozen meals? Is because they are quick and easy. Quick and easy. You just pop them in the microwave for as long as it says, mix it up, taste it, not cold, pop it back in the microwave. If you don't have time for cooking, or if you just want something quick to take with you to work, or if you want to give something to your kids, if you have kids, for lunch. Sorry. This will be a good recommendation for you to take, like I said, for work, for lunch, just on the go, basically. Just something to grab on the go. So that way you don't have to worry about going out to buy food, especially if you're going to work, or if you are in school and you don't want to eat that school lunch. This will be a great meal to take. Now, these are fulfilling. I'm not going to say they're not, because everybody's body is different. But these are fulfilling. But sometimes when I eat these, I like to have just a tiny little healthy snack, like some fruit or a parfait, like something that's small, not too big, because I don't, you know, because like I said, I always get full off of eating these by the time you're eating, and then by the time you're drinking your juice or whatever. So that's why I get full. But if you still want something to go with these, you could still do that, because It does maybe look like a lot here, but sometimes it's not that much compared to the picture. Like you'll open it and be like, oh, this is not enough. So that's why I always recommend to pack you some fruit or some like, of course, your water, your drink, but some fruit, some chips, you know, whatever snack you would like to eat with this. Sometimes these could be fulfilling and sometimes they're not, because sometimes I'll eat these and I'll be like, oh my God, I'm full. And sometimes I don't. Sometimes I gotta still have like a little snack. So it just depends what what you think, what you feel. If you think you'll get full off of eating this by itself with your water or whatever you choose to drink, then go right ahead. If you don't get full off of this, you can always pack, like I said, you can always eat it with a pack of fruit, vegetables, or whatever other side item you prefer. You can find these in the frozen section at your local grocery store, in the not the breakfast frozen aisle, but the other frozen aisle where they serve the frozen meals, like the Marie Callender's, the Lean Cuisines, that section. So just the same section as the frozen food, in the frozen food section, but it might be just a couple of rows over. So like, you know where the frozen food is, and then if you go a couple down, it should be the I'll say lunch/dinner meals, because sometimes you can have these for lunch or dinner. So that's where you can find these. And here it is, a close-up. Here's the back. If you are into the calorie deficit before you even eat, because I know a lot of people, like, not me, but I know some people like to calculate their calories, like on apps and stuff, like the health app and stuff like that. They will literally look and say, okay, this has 260 calories, 4 grams of fat. They'll literally read the back and they'll log it into their PayPal, their MyFitnessPal, or some other type of app where you could track how many calories you ate that day. So if that's you, if you like to do that, if you like to put in your phone or keep track of how many calories you ate that day based off of what's in your meal, you are more than welcome to do that. All you have to do is just check the back of the box. It'll say the fat, the calories, and all the other little stuff that you might need. If you do put these in the oven, I think you can, but if you do put this in the oven, please let me know what it tastes like, because I never had these in the oven. I also believe you could put these in the air fryer, because some stuff tastes better in the air fryer in the oven versus the microwave. So if you ever try these in the air fryer or the oven, please let me know how it tastes, because I never tried it in the air fryer or the oven. I always did the microwave, like I said, because I just wanted it, something quick and to go. Or not to go, but something quick, because I don't have time to actually cook it. So let me know if you do try it in those, and let me know how does it taste down in the comments down below. And comment down below, what is your favorite go-to frozen meal if you do eat frozen meals like this. If not, just comment down below your favorite food, or like what you like to eat for dinner, and everything like that. But here is the package once again. Now, like I said, they do have different ones of these. So Lean Cuisine is the brand. And then if you want to know which one it is, you can always tell by the picture. And you can always look over here on the bottom where it says, under Lean Cuisine, where it says Alfredo Pasta. So Lean Cuisine is the brand. But always look under here, like right here where it says Alfredo Pasta. Always read that or look at the picture, because they have different ones. They have one with spaghetti. They have one with, crap. I can't think of the other ones off the top of my head. But I know they have one just like this. It'll say Lean Cuisine, but it'll say spaghetti. So I'll try to find different versions of this and pop them up on the screen for y'all. But that's why I'm saying, when you look for these, look for Lean Cuisine as the brand, and then underneath look for the food item, because that's going to be what it is. And usually the picture will help give it away. But let me know down in the comments down below, what do you think about this meal? Would you try this meal? Have you heard of this meal? If you have never seen this meal, because I know different states and countries have stuff that's different. You can always try to find you something similar. If not, you can always go out and try to find this near you. I don't force you to get it, but if you ever see any products I review, such as food, beauty products, lifestyle, and you want those products, my recommendation is you could try to look in the stores near you. If you heard of Amazon, you could try Amazon. You know, just see what your country has or your state, because I know everybody is different. But if you are looking for a healthy dinner or a healthy lunch, because you eat these for dinner or lunch, I really recommend you getting the Lean Cuisine. Now the Alfredo pasta with chicken and broccoli is my favorite one by the Lean Cuisine. Yes, I like the spaghetti one, but this one is my favorite one from the brand Lean Cuisine. So comment down below. I'm gonna show you up close once again. Comment down below and let me know what do you think about this meal in the comments. I'm not really hungry right now. I was gonna say let's open it and eat it together and taste test it, but I'm not even hungry. So that's why I said I might just get a snack and eat this later for dinner. Because my plan was to eat this on camera with y'all so y'all can see how it looks on the inside and stuff like that. But I'm like, I'm not even hungry and I would hate to open this and waste it. So I'm probably just gonna get me like a little snack or something and eat this later. But let me know what you think in the comments down below about this Lean Cuisine. Is the brand, but the name is Classic Alfredo Pasta with chicken and broccoli. Leave your comments down below. What do you think about this food item? If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. You are more than welcome to use my hashtag Kaelin Crew, capital K, two capital K's, K-A-E-L-I, hashtag Kaelin Crew, K-R-E-W, and it's all one word. Hashtag Kaelin Crew. If you would like to use that hashtag in your videos, be more than welcome to. It'll make it easier for me to see your videos. But if you have, like I said, if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.